Hey Glam Fam, what's poppin'? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today's makeup is super cute. It is a birthday glam special. It's not my birthday, but you know, I can party like one. Anyways, yes, so it's basically a red glitter cut. I'm sorry, it is a red cut crease with a glitter ombre. I don't know, what would you describe this as? I mean, it's red, but it's like a glitter cut crease, you know? I don't know. Anyways, yes, I think this look came out amazing. I'm really starting to perfect my cut crease technique. Like, look how sharp that line is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, yes, if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. And if you haven't already, why haven't you subscribed? Why aren't you subscribed? Come on now, get with the plan. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's jump into it. Okay fam, let's go ahead and jump into this look, starting out with our first palette. This is the Morphe Bronze Bay palette, and we're going for that nice neutral brown road trip. Now this brown is going to go underneath our brow bone. This will be our transitional shade. Now we're going to switch to a palette that we have not used in a long time. This is our Urban Luxe palette by BH Cosmetics. This is a matte palette. And we're going for that matte bubblegum pink. And we're using this pink to blend in to that neutral brown that we put down, because we're going to a red. So we need to find the in-between shades from brown to red. So we're going to go brown, this pink, and then we're going to add some other colors. So now we're jumping into a new palette. This is the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place, and this time we're going for that super deep red. I think this is the only palette that has red in it, so this is why I always go to this one. So anyway, so now you're going to go ahead and start to form your crease area. You don't want to go too high because you don't want to take away from that pink, but you want to have a place for your red. So here I'm going ahead and I'm starting to blend my red with that pink. Now for some reason I went ahead and I switched colors. I added a little bit of black, but I didn't show it on the camera, but right there you can see I added a different color to that red. So I went in with that charcoal color that was also in the same palette, and I just did this to make the cut crease area just a little bit darker, because I felt like it started to blend a little bit too much, and I really want there to be that high contrast line when I do my cut crease. So I added just the smallest sliver of black or charcoal to that red, just so I can make it a little bit darker. So this is about where I want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and start to do my cut crease. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Refine Concealer. And I'm putting a little bit on my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and look up, and then I'm going to find the line, and then I'm going to sharpen the line. An old family friend also makes an appearance in this video. We're going back to the deck of Scarlet number 4 palette, and we're using that diamond shimmer color. It's like a really very pigmented silver shimmer. And this is going to go to the inside corners of our eyes because this is going to be an ombre, and I really want this look to be popping, so I'm adding a lot of this shimmer. As you guys can see, I went ahead and blended out the edges to make an ombre effect, but I wasn't done yet. So to make this look even more poppin', I went in with the base booster, and this is where we're gonna add our silver glitter. And where are we adding our silver glitter? On top of the silver shimmer, just because I really want this look to like just be poppin'. Like, you guys don't see like how poppin' this is. Like, the camera just does not do it justice. I should probably switch to chunky glitter. So I'm satisfied with how this looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and do my face, and I'll be right back. See, look how crisp that line is. Like, this is super poppin'. Like, I absolutely love it. Christmas is in the air, and this is Santa's baby. No, I'm just kidding. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the look. We're starting out with our standard black pencil liner, and this is gonna go underneath our waterline. What's any of my looks without highlight? So now we're gonna do our highlight. This is Kiss Professional's shimmer palette, and we're adding it to our nose, to our inner tear ducts, and to our brow bone. Of course, like I cannot not do that. So we're gonna go ahead and start our lips now. This is gonna be a semi-neutral lip. We're starting out with the clear lip gloss by M.A.C, and then we're gonna go ahead and add just the smallest bit of the AOA liquid lipstick. This is that red, and I'm only adding a little bit just to give it like a little hint. I don't want it to be too red, just a little bit. Then I top it again with the clear lipstick. The clear lip gloss, and then I'm gonna add just a small bit of red glitter. I don't really feel like I need this, but I don't know. I've been on a glitter craze lately, so I added it anyway. So this is the final look. I absolutely love it. Like I said, the camera does not do it justice. Go ahead, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. I hope you guys have a great Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next one.